Hey guys, welcome back to another Mesh Free Weekly Technicals. Comment and subscribe and head over to the free Telegram. Links all down below. So we look at the DXY. If we look on the monthly time frame, we can see we're still making these lower highs, lower lows. We did have this trend line drawn out and this triangle pattern formation, which is places come up. It's respected that area, what we mentioned, and now we're starting to see this pull back into this area, which has been very, very important area of support, which we've been watching on the Dixie. Price is now coming in. There's also the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. Price is now coming in for it looks like we're going to start to tap that 101,500 area once again. Whether it holds just remains to be seen. We go into the weekly. Yeah, so once again we see this big move to the upside after we bounced off this 101,500 area, as mentioned, the support. You see this big clean move to the upside, breaking this previous area of structure. And then we see this previous area of structure being tapped, also this trend line, and we see the bullish momentum running out. Look here, we got a lot of bullish momentum. Once we've hit this area, we've got a bit of an indecision candle, and then we've started to break down. Prices held 103,500 as support towards the end of that week. But then we have broken down through that area to FOMC and fundamentals. But now it does look like we're coming back down to retest this 101,500 area, which makes a lot of sense as we see this triangle, this equilateral triangle position for playing out. So we go down into the daily. Once again, we see this area up here, a bit of sideways movements before we broke this area of structure and supply and demand, which is 103,500 area. Once we've seen the break, the retest, and the third leg extension, we're starting to see price drop towards this area, 101. Well, yeah, just once again, still waiting on this important area of just looking at this pattern playing out, so we could expect price to come down, bounce off this 101,500, come up for a retest of the 103,500 before starting to squeeze in this area, and then potentially breaking out, retest, third leg extension before we head into this bit of free fall area. So if we do get a break and confirmation of 101,500, then we could see a bearish move on the Dixie.
If we just go look at the Fed's balance sheet now,
Yes.
I think it kind of enforces what you're saying in that bearish descending triangle on the weekly. And I guess that enforces the whole idea that we are entering into a more bullish structure in terms of where our equities and our other asset classes are. A lot of faith's been lost in the dollar, but it also shows that what the Fed's been doing has been working. So just looking here, we can see that in the last sort of 3 months, effectively it's stagnated. There's been no tightening going on, no reduction in their balance sheet. And you can see this is where we've had that banking crisis, and we've effectively opened up a window for banks to not even declare when they need to fill holes in their balance sheet. So this insurance window has zero transparency, and banks can clock in however much capital is required or liquidity is required to fill that balance sheet in their hole. So as long as that exists, we are essentially, without saying it, we're printing ourselves into infinity. So we're going to see all of this surplus capital now moving into our other alternative assets. So we'll see it go into the equities market, and that the equities market's had a huge boom with the likes of the NASDAQ. So this breakdown from the level on the dollar index makes a lot of sense. And a lot of our other asset classes are looking very bullish, and we'll look at that now.